The Shop-Vac 5-gallon vacuum offers robust cleaning power in a compact and portable design, perfect for tackling both wet and dry messes in various environments. Equipped with a powerful 6.0 peak horsepower motor, this vacuum can handle demanding tasks with ease, making it ideal for use in garages, workshops, and basements. Its dual functionality allows it to switch from vacuum mode to blower mode effortlessly, providing versatility for both indoor and outdoor cleaning needs. With a generous 5-gallon capacity, you can clean for longer periods without the need to frequently empty the tank, enhancing your cleaning efficiency. The vacuum's extended reach is facilitated by an 8-foot hose and a 20-foot power cord, allowing you to cover a wide area without frequently switching power outlets. Included accessories, such as the crevice tool and utility nozzle, enhance its functionality, and onboard storage ensures everything stays organized and within easy reach.